It's Jennifer Woolsey, and welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. We are going to do a light makeup look this morning for real women and get about our day. So let's talk today about what brings you joy. I think that this is probably something that a lot of us lose during the holiday season. And so I think it's important that we talk about, what is it that brings you joy? It's probably not money. It's probably not gifts. It's probably more about the things that you do and the people that you spend time with. So let's get into it. I've already gone in with my morning skincare regimen. You guys know, I don't know why I can't talk. You guys know that I love the Isinox new skincare line. It has done amazing things for my skin. It is definitely paying off that I'm using it morning and night. And I'm seeing a glow come back in my face. And I love it. Love it. Love it. So do you use a good skincare regimen? That is a question for you. So I went in this morning and I already primed. So I use a primer to help fill in those cracks and crevices and also to give my makeup something to kind of stick to. So I'm going to use my Magic's tint in shade Light this morning. We're just going to do a little tinted moisturizer. If we're going to go on the lighter side, then we want to, you don't have to do like a full foundation every day. So we're going to do this. I'm going to mix, I think I'm going to mix my colors, light and fair. And I'm just mixing them on my fingers. And I'm just going to put it in here. And with a tinted moisturizer, you can definitely apply it with a sponge or just with your fingers. That is the cool part because it kind of goes on like a lotion. And I'm going to pull it down a little bit in that neck area, getting that nose good. I like sometimes that you can apply a foundation with your fingers because it gives you more coverage, maybe more range of coverage. Maybe that's it. I'm going to take my beauty blender now and I'm just going to blend it in. So have you ever used a tinted moisturizer? Is that something in your vocabulary? So a lot of times I find there's either women that wear no foundation or they want to go for like a full coverage foundation. But a good tinted moisturizer is a good in-between. It's not thick, it's not heavy, it can still give you good coverage, it can still stay with you all day, and so that makes it that much more fun. We're going to do Cashmere Complexion Concealer in shade Matcha. And we're going to conceal those under eyes. We have already had a day around here. If you didn't know, I have two boys, Caden and Lucas, who are 18 and 13, and they have a rare genetic syndrome called MECP2. And my oldest has already had 2 seizures today. Oh, I've got him resting. He's sleeping. So I thought, well, I'll take just a second, put myself together so I can get back to him. Okay, so that concealer went in and it did the trick, right? It concealed those bags and those tired mom eyes. So we're going to do Magic's Dust setting powder. I like a setting powder because it gives us that matte look, and it also can kind of help pull together that foundation and that concealer. And my hair is going everywhere here. So what brings you joy? Well, I was thinking when I was talking with someone the other day about, she was super stressed out about Christmas gifts and, being able to get the perfect gift and, having the money to do all the shopping and stuff that she needed. And we just got to talking about some of our favorite childhood Christmas memories. And truly none of them really were around gifts. They were around time and things that we did with our family. Like for me, it was a Christmas program at our church. It was, pajamas and having fun with family on Christmas morning, making candy with my mom. I don't know what that was. We're doing Tattoo Station brow pencil. you know, making candy with my mom and learning those recipes, and, you know, just really making those memories and spending that time with people that you love. And I know that this year it's going to look a little bit different than it has in years past, but that doesn't mean that you still can't make those memories with your kiddos or with your grandkids or with your neighbors or maybe a close-knit group of friends that you spend time with. So I think that, you know, looking for ways to spread joy and make those memories with your family. Maybe make a gingerbread house with your kiddos, or make some ornaments with them, make some candy. You know, just finding those kind of things that you can do to help bring joy into the season. I think that's so important. Okay, we're gonna do one of my new favorite quads. This is Naked Truth. And I love this quad because it's not a super loud eyeshadow. It's still pretty simple, but it's still very pretty. So I'm going to do 2 first. And I'm going to make a faux crease going above where my crease is because I have those hooded eyes. And we want to be able to see the eyeshadow. Oh, I've got some comments. Hey guys, good morning, Jacqueline. We started a tradition of making sugar cookies and decorating sugar cookies on Christmas Eve. I'm excited this year. That is so fun. Yes, we do that. Usually a couple of nights before Christmas, we will make sugar cookies and decorate them for Santa. That's something we've done since the boys were little bitty, and it is something we love doing so much. That's such a fun tradition. Okay, we're going to go down with 1, and I'm going to work this part of my eye here. My allergies this morning have got me sneezing. Sneezing. Okay, so I'm just doing that cradle part with 1. I do things to make joy for me, like paint or bake, just for the baby to destroy him, to bring him joy. There you go. There you go, Jacqueline. Oh, toddlers, aren't they fun? Oh, enjoy these years, though, because soon enough he won't want to even have anything to do with your creations. So now you're at least getting to make things for him to destroy. Bless your heart. Okay, we're going to do 3 now and 4, and I'm just going to pick both of those colors up, and I'm going to come right above where we did that transition. And I'm going to kind of blend all of that together. Like I said, we're not going for a bold eye. I do have a guest appearance tonight on one of our company trainings, and I'm pretty excited about that. So I'll probably go in and maybe highlight it a little bit, because if you're on camera, you want it to be pretty bold. But just for being mom today, taking care of the kiddo, we're just going to kind of do a mild look. What do you think? I love this palette. You can really do some darker, bolder looks if you pulled more of that 4 in. You can do a variation of stuff. I really like this palette. There we go. We enhanced it a little bit. And really and truly, a lot of times, if you'll just go back and blend with the brush that you have, without even putting a whole lot more makeup on it, you can still enhance that look a little bit. We're going to do Super Extend Liquid Liner. Something else that you can do, especially if you have kiddos at home, is teach them to bring joy to other people. Maybe things aren't ideal in your situation, so maybe you sit down with them and help them make some cards. I've shared this before. We made some posters on just construction paper and dropped them by our local assisted living facility for them to put on the doors of the residents, wishing them a Merry Christmas. We did it around Easter time, But when the boys get out of school for Christmas, we're going to do it again. But, you know, just drawing some cute pictures with Christmas trees and wishing them a Merry Christmas and dropping them off at a local senior center, especially this year because they have, you know, they've kind of been isolated with COVID and not being able to see their family like they normally do. I mean, bring joy to someone else. If you're not seeing it, if you're not feeling it in your own home, doing it for someone else could definitely help lift the mood. And it's always good to teach our kids to give back. Okay, Super Extend Liquid Liner is on. Yes, on point. Okay, we're going to curl. I mean, can you tell that this is just kind of a subtle look? It's a lighter look. If you have not tried our Magic's Tinted Moisturizer, I highly recommend it. I really think that it gives a good coverage, but it still is, you know, lighter on your skin. Okay, mascara. Gotta find the mascara. Love Mascara is one of my favorites. It has those heart-shaped fibers and just attaches to your lashes and it just explodes them. Oh, Jacqueline said, I let the baby send Christmas cards to everyone. I know, Kate and I have got to get our cards out. That is on our list today. I love it. I love Christmas cards. There is something so fun about getting a cheerful message in the mail and it not being a bill, right? So Christmas cards are a great way to share joy. Let your kids help you sign them and address them and teach them how to use mail. I don't know how many kids don't know how to use mail. I have the Purple Love mascara on today. Oh, I did not go that route with the Purple Love. I'll have to see your pictures. I don't even think I ordered it. I love trying different stuff. I do have some new palettes coming in to try. So I'm excited to try those. That's so cool. See, sometimes it could be something as simple as purple mascara that brings you joy in your life, right? It doesn't even have to be a big thing. It could be purple mascara. I love that. Okay, we're going to do a Queen Carnation Love Cushion Blush and just kiss those cheeks with a little bit of pink. And, I mean, it's a pretty simple look, but hey, we're simple ladies. You don't have to be all glammed up to go out and feel like you're put together. It can be a simple look. Just a kiss of pink. I love this cushion blush. So, so pretty. And then we are going to do our two-tone nude beige or beige effect lipstick. I love this. I love it. It has a liner on top and the color on bottom. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. We have a very quick, simple, put together look for our day. And it didn't have to take us forever to do it. It's on the lighter side. Still look like we're put together as we're trying to accomplish our goals. And we did something different. Let me let you look at the eyes. That's our eye look for today and our lip look for the day. Of course, I did a little curl and spin on this hair earlier today. And we are good to go. So thank you guys so much for getting ready with me. I hope that you enjoy these makeup tips. If you need any help color matching, let me know. I'd love to help you color match. Share this video. Somebody else may need some quick, lighter side makeup tips. And if you need any help or have any questions, for sure, reach out. Hi, Crystal. Good morning. So I hope that you all have a beautiful day, and I will see you all later. Bye, guys.